Hello everyone. Now we are going to study how doGet method in Java works. So for this, first we will see output and then programs. What is the output of doGet method? Now again for this output we require two files, one HTML and one second is Java file. So I have clicked, first we'll see where is your HTML file. In C Tomcat web apps examples folder, my HTML file is stored. It is index.get.html. When I click on this file, it will open that file in browser. You can see here path index.html. You can check this path index.get.html file. Now here I should select one option, red, green, blue. Suppose I select green and click on submit. After clicking on submit button, it calls servlet, which is Java program. So I have selected green color. So output is the selected color is green. Now what is the feature of get method? You can see whichever value I have selected, that value is sent through URL. Means before running this, before this output, whichever output I have selected, that output, that value is sent to Java program through URL. It is sent to servlet through URL. This is a feature of get method. Whereas in post method, this value is not sent through URL. So get is not secured method, post is more secured method. Just now we have seen how to execute two files, HTML file and Java file using Tomcat server. Now we'll see each line of that program. So first file is index.html. Output for index.html is, it is displaying drop down menu. When you click on this down arrow, it will display red, green, blue, three colors, and second control is submit button. So for creating this color drop down menu, we have used select option here. Inside select option, we can give different option using option tag. In these three options we have mentioned red, green, blue color, so it is displaying as a drop down list. And second control is input type submit, that is button, and its label is also submit. Now the important thing is in form tag, important attributes are method is equal to get or post. Now what is the meaning of get? When you transfer your data, here you can give method is equal to get or post. When you transfer your data using get method, the output is different, and when you transfer your data using post method, you will get different output. We'll see at the end of this program what is the difference. First you should remember that in method we have to write get or post. Next is action. Action is equal to name of Java file. What is the name of Java file? Color get servlet. You can check, this is your Java file and its name is color get servlet. Class name is color get servlet. So this name should be given here with complete path, complete URL of that file should be given. Action is equal to http localhost 8080 folder name in which we have stored all the files is example, and Java file name is color get servlet. So this is important. We have this should be correct. Java file name, Java class name. So this HTML file will give you this window as output. After this, when you click on submit button, it will call this program, second program, that is servlet program. It is Java program, colorget.java, and its name is colorget servlet. Now for creating servlet, we are using HTTP servlet class. This class is used for in doGet doPost method, cookie and session tracking. HTTP servlet class. Now for extending this HTTP servlet, we require this package javax.servlet.http.star. And for basic lifecycle methods, we require javax.servlet.star. IO is for input output operation, for printing operations. Now when you write method is equal to get in HTML file, here method is equal to get in HTML file, in this case in Java program you should use doGet method. If you use post in HTML file, here we will use doPost. Okay, so in doGet method, two parameters are required: request, which is object of HTTP servlet request. Second is response, which is object of HTTP servlet response. Which exceptions are used for servlet exception and IO exception. Next is, okay, so after selecting, just first we'll verify this output. When you select red color and click on this submit button, it will display the selected color is green. This is your output. Okay, so how to print this? First you should store the value which is selected in this first output, red, green or blue, whichever color you have selected. That value should be stored somewhere. That value should be stored in some variable. First you should store that value. How that value will be stored? Using get parameter method. Get parameter is a method which accepts value from HTML file and sends to Java program for processing. So get parameter method. And what is color? Color is a name of that drop down list. Name of drop down list in HTML program. We can check in HTML. See, this color is a name of drop down list. Which drop down list? In which colors are displayed: red, green and blue. Next, output type is HTML. Then we require print writer object for printing output on screen. Which output we are printing? The selected color is. This line we are printing. In second output you can see the selected color is. So for printing this we require print writer object, that is PW, and after that pw.println color. Now what is stored in color variable? In color variable, string color variable, we have stored value from HTML file. Value from HTML file which we have selected in output, red, green or blue. That value will be stored in this string variable color and this will be displayed here. So output will be the selected color is green, red or blue, whichever you have selected. So this is the output of get method. Now how output of get is displayed? See, when you select any color, red, green, blue and click on submit, that time that value is sent through URL. You can check second output address bar. Color is equal to green. Okay, we have selected green color, so that value is sent through URL to that servlet. So this is not secured method, because whatever data you are inserting through HTML file, that is sent through URL. It is not encrypted data. So this was all about get method.